So Benjamin Graham, he's a famous investor. Um, some would call him the teacher of Warren Buffett. He recommends or advises dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging, in short, is basically investing a small amount regularly over time in a particular stock or index, especially when the stock is growing in value. And before that, you have to analyze whether the stock it's advisable that you analyze whether the stock is underpriced or not, and particularly best to invest in it if it's underpriced. It's not good to invest in a stock that's overpriced. So Benjamin Graham advises or recommends dollar cost averaging, and I wanted to speak about whether I agree or not. It's a good investment method for beginners and for people that don't know much about investing and they want to create a secure or as close to secure uh, lump sum of money or investment fund or retirement fund for when they retire. But for people that know more about investing, that's not to say I know more about investing than the average person. I don't really know much. There's a lot that I don't know, quite a lot. But I would say dollar cost averaging is okay, but market prices fluctuate. And over time, if you dollar cost average, you're going to be paying maybe twice as much, three times as much, multiples of what you paid for initially, just to allow yourself to invest consistently over time. I would say if you want to be able, it's better to be a bit more microscopic with the stocks you invest in. That might require more work, more reading, and more research. But doing that alone will allow you to become a more competent investor because you'll create a habit or as well as a higher level of competence to be able to read financial data and to be able to analyze and determine whether a company or a stock is a good investment or not, and to what extent they are a good investment or a bad investment. So I would suggest a better method to dollar cost averaging is to just generally find out whether a stock is cheap or not by looking at the financial statements and financial data associated with the particular stock, and look at and determine whether the current stock price is a fair price or a great price, and invest in the stock based on that.